Welcome back to the Appstle Memberships app. Today we are going to make our own custom product listings to add to existing Appstle membership plans. If you went through the onboarding video, you'll know that we generated our own product listing last time. Today we're going to make our own product listing, as well as add media, change descriptions, and even change pricing for each one. Select Products on the left side in the Shopify store, and select Add Product. In this example, we've pre-filled the product page with a title, description, and media. If we scroll down further, we've also chosen a price point. You can change these items at any point in time, and this will automatically propagate to the Appstle Memberships app. If you'd like to track how many members can sign up for the specific membership product, select Track Quantity and choose a number for the location below. We've unchecked this is a physical product. Membership fees usually don't have any shipping involved, so to disable this in the checkout portion, we'll go ahead and uncheck this box. And lastly, if you want to have any variance regarding your membership, you can go ahead and add that here. But if you have any multiple frequency plans, please set that up within the Appstle Memberships app. Now that we've finished our product listing, we'll go ahead and save it. And then now we can go back to the Appstle Memberships app and add it to our existing membership plan. From the Appstle Memberships app, we can go to the Plans and Perks section, select an existing membership plan, select Edit, and now we can choose a new membership listing for our existing plan. In this case, we'll look for our gold membership that we've made, and select Add to save your changes. Please note that any existing tags will need to be changed if you want it to line up with your current product listing, as only the membership listing will be changed when you add this new product. Congratulations, you've made your first custom product listing for your Appstle Memberships plans. If you'd like to go ahead and make any changes, feel free to go back into the product section in your Shopify storefront. Otherwise, if you have any other questions regarding memberships or any plans and perk settings, feel free to refer to our support center or contact our support team with the blue button in the bottom right corner. They're available 24/7 on weekends and holidays. Thank you so much for choosing Appstle, and have a great day.